Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix Bluetooth not working problem in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. If Bluetooth issue is available on your phone, then you can fix Bluetooth issue just by following this video. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, go to settings, then go to system, then go to reset options, and here select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, and click on reset settings and confirm with your pattern, and yes, click on reset settings. Yes, it has been reset. Okay, now Bluetooth problem will not be available in your phone. Okay, Bluetooth problem is fixed. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix Bluetooth problem that occurs in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.